This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Air filter replacement. Pull the hood release lever near the driver's side kick panel. Slide the safety latch and raise the hood upward. Detach the cable from the filter cover clip. Unscrew the filter cover retaining screws from the housing. Lift up the cover and detach it from the intake tube. Then remove the cover. Remove the air filter element, noting the direction it sits in the housing. Wipe or vacuum out the inside of the air cleaner housing with a clean rag. Install the new air filter element in the correct direction, making sure that it seats properly. Install the air filter cover, connecting the cover port to the intake tube, then tighten the cover retaining screws securely. Attach the cable to the filter cover clip.